of all, I think I should say on behalf of the Ministry of Education, thank you very much to Vybe Radio for allowing us to come on today. But it's not just about today.
Right.
Vybe Radio has actually collaborated with the Department of Education that from Monday, the 4th of May, until the end of the school term, Vybe Radio has offered us a time slot on the radio from 10:30 a.m. We will have an opportunity to read stories, read other pieces of writing, etc.
Right.
to our students.
Right.
The reality is we have kids as well. They're at home. The homeschooling is new. Parents have a challenge on their hands. Some teachers have a challenge on their hands. It's new for everybody. So as much as possible, we would like to, provide assistance in that regard.
We need to look at all of the opportunities in terms of media that are available. And this collaboration in Vybe Radio it really came at the right time so that we are able to reach students who may not have access, let's say, to the internet. But even for students who do have access, it's an additional means by which they could access education and continue learning. Have we prepared our students to work independently now that they're out of the classroom? Or have we traditionally been the ones to direct when, where, and how students learn? Right? Have we been using students' natural curiosity for the young ones and the desire for independence?
Education is important. You don't want a situation where kids are stagnated because of the whole COVID-19 thing. And again, as much as we can assist in, helping out and getting kids, not just in terms of being educated, but also to be occupied meaningfully during this time. That's something that we think is just a responsibility that we should bear.
So this is really useful for our early learners, because our early learners, they do not yet have the capacity to read on their own. They would need a lot more support. So these listening sessions would be really great for them because they'd be used to having those stories read to them on a daily basis. But we have tailored it so that everyone can benefit, both at the primary and the secondary level. And of course, who doesn't like a story? So even our parents, our corporate partners, general public can benefit from the sessions.
Every Monday to Thursday at 10:30. That's the place to be. 92.9, 100.9 FM Vybe Radio.